Hi guys, good morning. Nagbabalik na naman tayo for pagpapanggap episode. I made, because recently here in Calgary, it's really hot. Then like literally in the morning, still it's already 25 degrees, sort of like that. So you need to make some kind of thing that you're going to hydrate right away. Don't forget to drink your water though. And yeah, I made, again, this is my usual thing. And then I'm craving with this yesterday. And then I thought I have some stuff at the fridge, but doesn't have any. And yeah, this is, what do you call this? An overnight oats. I need to mix it well. It has chia seeds, flax seeds, oats, syempre, and then it has the color pink is the strawberry, and then it has blueberries, and yung overnight oats na may chia seeds, ano siya, strawberry combination din siya. Aray ko Lord. So, yun. And then yung, ano niya, yung nag-mix na is almond milk. So, yun. And, pagpapanggap again, ayan nga siya itsura niya, guys. Looks so yummy. And, yeah, I know I'm a little bit mataba. Not a little bit, mataba talaga. So, kailangan ko talaga mag-diet. And then, ayun, kailangan bumalik para magustuhan ulit. Ay, hindi pwedeng ganun. Sabi nga nila, shoutout dyan kila Quindora, Fokirat, and yung team Bardagulan. Ayun. Anyway, so yun. Masarap siya. Yun lang. Maraming salamat. Don't forget to like, share, and don't forget to comment kung ano gusto niyo sabihin. Kanong lasa niya. Masarap siya, guys. Hindi ko siya nilagyan ng honey para hindi siya maging ayoko siya kainin na matamis. So, meron na rin siyang almond at saka yung flaky, what do you call this? Meron na kasi, may isa kasing siya, ingredients na nandun. Tamad akong kunin. Anyway, so yan siya yung tsura niya. Alright, maraming salamat. Bye-bye. Love you guys.